Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is David and today I wanted to show you how you can check if your passwords have been breached. Yes, you heard me, passwords. The same password that protects your customer data, your online presence, your financial data, and even your intellectual property. Data breaches occur more often than many people realize. That's why Tony Hunt created a free service for the public called Have I Been Pwned? Let's see if our test account is found on any of the data breaches. I'm going to use the address john@example.com. And we see that this email is found in 83 data breaches, including Adobe and Dropbox. For example, in the case of Dropbox, they have been hacked for 4 years until they announced and forced users to change their passwords. If you don't change passwords regularly, your competitors had 4 years to buy your passwords on the black market. If you don't change passwords regularly and your accounts have been pwned, it's time to make a change. Go ahead and change passwords today. If you enjoyed this video or learned anything, click the like button. That's pretty much all for now. Thanks for watching and have a great day.